Senate?
Yes,
Why is that important?
that's the hope.
Why is it
Kasi,
important?
di ba, po, they lack a quorum eh.
Okay.
A quorum is technically the number of seats. So there are 24 seats in the Senate.
Okay.
So hindi, mahirap yung sinasabi ni Senator Tulfo kahapon na we are a majority of 22. Kasi 24 naman talaga dapat sila. So if you're following quorum, that's a simple majority, 50% plus 1. So 50% of 24 is 12.
You will try to attend via video kung magbago yung Senate rule lang.
Kung payagan.
Sana, kung papayagan. Oo. So parang kami, we just have to address muna dito sa Sandigan Bayan if they will allow him to attend by video conference. Ibang problema pa yung, ibang problema pa yung sa Senado.
So yung sa tuhod niya, osteoarthritis and dalawa kasi nabanggit mo kanina.
So the technical term is effusion. So parang
Diffusion.
pinapasokan ng fluid.
Fluid.
So mahirap doon. So parang namamaga siya, no? So pag nakaupo ka, parang naiipit yung tuhod mo dahil may tubig siya sa loob. Kaya masakit. Kaya mahihirapan siya kung matagal siyang
Sir, yun yung kailangan ng parang operation ba?
Yes, actually.
Ano tawag, sir? Kailangan ng
Hindi ko alam.
Replacement?
Wag, gumawa.
Tingnan mo.
Oh.
Hindi. Kasi yung ginagawa, kung hindi surgery, parang
Puputasin.
ang kukuha ka ng karayon, sisipsipin mo. Okay? But it seems, because of the finding of the doctor, hindi na kaya ng ganun lang.
On both knees yun, sir.
Masakit both knees. Yung nakita ko dun sa joint effusion, hindi maliwanag sa akin if both knees ang may fluid. But I'd like to stress na si Senator, parang ano, he didn't want to raise this before as an issue. Hindi ko na alam. Maybe, kami pareho na kami senior citizen.
Pero Tony, would you consider filing hospital arrest?
We might have to kasi nga, as you can see, maski na nakaupo lang siya in the Quezon City Jail, nahihirapan siya.
Pero
Some-
yung hospital arrest
There's a,
mo pa,
parang you could consider it a potential pain management issue. Dati nakakayanan niya. Pinapatakbo siya ng ilang araw. And then there's stress na
potentially po, sir, are you going to push him for sa government hospital or sa private hospital?
I can't discuss na specifics. No. I'm just saying that he has a condition and it's one of the things that we have to look at.
Sir, may we know, ba't withdraw niyo na po yung motion na ilipat siya ng detention facility?
Yes, we have withdrawn the
Bakit? Ano
motion.
po yung
So
reason,
we
sir?
withdrew it before the 5th division and we intend to withdraw it dito as well.
Bakit, sir?
Because his family is able to visit him and he's satisfied now with the conditions of his confinement.
Session.